Hi, have you ever wondered why some romantic relationships flourish while many fail? Hi, my name is Junon. I have a health science background. I'm an author and the creator of the Truth and Empathy questionnaire. I have been doing energy work for about 8 years, and what I discovered over time is that people give off a particular energy, a particular vibe. And for a relationship to be successful, two individuals have to match energetically. So I invite you to this workshop, and it's going to take place on Saturday, September 12th from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And during that workshop, you will discover your energetic signature. So you will know who is your best match. And during this workshop, we will be discovering together who is the best match with the other. So it's going to be a group of single adults who do want to explore this aspect of themselves. So I invite you to register to Eventbrite. So I'm going to put a link in the description. And I really am, looking forward to meeting you. Take care.